Now in this lecture we are going to talk about relational operators in C. What are relational operators? These are all the relational operators available in C language. The first one is called equal to operator. The second one is called not equal to operator. The third one is called less than or equal to operator. The fourth one is called greater than or equal to operator. Fifth one is called less than operator. And the last one is called greater than operator. Let me tell you one thing. They are all used for comparing two values. Like for example, if we want to compare 4 and 5, and if I want to know this thing that whether 4 is equals to 5, then we are going to use this operator equal to. All relational operators will return either true or false. This is important. They will return only two values, either true or false. For example, if you are writing this expression 4 equal to 5, then this is equivalent of saying is 4 equal to 5 or not. As we know this thing, the result would be either true or false. Here in this case 4 is not equal to 5. Therefore the result would be false. Right? On the other hand, if we are trying to compare two values 4 and 5, and if we are using the operator not equal to in this case, then we are talking about that is 4 is not equal to 5. Then we say the answer would be true because 4 is not equals to 5. Right? So that makes sense. So we are using these operators to find out the relation between two operands or two expressions. And they will return only true or false. Now let's consider one example. Here you can see I have declared one variable a and assigned it a value 300. And I declare another variable b and assigned it a value 2090. Now what you need to do is, you need to fill in these blanks with a and b in such a way that you're going to print this statement, bingo, you are in. Now you're already familiar with these constructs, if and else. If condition inside this will get satisfied, then this will get printed, otherwise this will get printed. That is the meaning of if-else statement. Now the condition is satisfied simply means that condition inside these round brackets must be true. Now you need to put these variables a and b in such a way over here in these blank spaces so that condition will return true, and if it is true then we know this thing, this will get printed on the screen. Let me declare the answer. The answer is b is greater than equals to a. Here we are going to put b and here we are going to put a, because as we know the value of b is 2090 and 2090 is greater than 300. Therefore b must be placed over here and a must be placed over here if we want to print this statement, bingo, you are in. If you want to print this statement, oops, you are out, then what you are going to place over here? You will simply place a and you simply place b over here. A is greater than b is false. Therefore else condition will be evaluated. And that's it.